Hello, my name is Lily and I'm part of the Customer Thermometer support team. Today I'm going to help you set up a ConnectWise thermometer and also integrate that into your own ConnectWise account. So firstly, what I'm going to do is create our embedded thermometer. So this is our own little demo account. So when you first log into your account, you will log in and you will see the dashboard like so. So to get started, we need to go to Manage Thermometers, Embedded Thermometers, and then we need to add our new embedded thermometer. So for the type, as we're going to be integrating with ConnectWise, we will select ConnectWise. The next step is deciding whether you want to have a lookout on your thermometer or not. Now, what the lookout does is it stops someone from replying multiple times to a survey. However, if you are using a ticketing system such as ConnectWise, Zendesk, I would suggest keeping your lookout in between 5 to 10 minutes. And this is because the lookout covers the whole thermometer. So that means if that recipient was to receive another survey for a separate ticket within the time period you had selected, so for example, if you selected 4 days or 1 hour, what would happen is when they get that second survey, they'll still not be able to reply until that 4 days or that 1 hour has passed. Therefore, I would suggest between 5 and 10 minutes, because that means if they receive another survey within 10 minutes time, 15 minutes time, that 5-minute mark is now gone and they'll be able to submit another response. The next part is adding in your ConnectWise details, and this sets up your write back, which means that when someone leaves a response and clicks on an icon, it's not only shown in Customer Thermometer, but it's written back against the ticket in ConnectWise. So you'll need to fill out your details and then hit this Verify Credentials button. If it's been successful, it will turn green like this. The next part here is you can choose where you want your ratings to be written back internally within ConnectWise, which you can tick or untick. You then have your MPS options, you can name your thermometer, and you can ask your question. Then select your icons. You can select any from our library, or you can upload your own custom icons with your own colours, or if you have any brand symbols you can use. So it's totally up to you. You can then have labels underneath each of your stars or smiley faces. You can change the order. So here we have the email alerts, which you can have for gold, green, amber and red, or if you just want the gold and the amber and red, you can, for example. In the boxes below, you would input the email addresses. It can be one or it can be multiple, and that means that when a customer selects an icon, an instant alert is fired off to whoever email address is listed here, so they'll be notified of whatever rating has been received. The next thing to do is hit your landing page option, and then here we have a whole list of things that you can customize for your landing pages. You can add logos to this page, you can add advert images, you can edit all the text on these landing pages, add your social media buttons. There's a lot of customization that you can do on this, and we do have a guide in our user guide called Landing Page Setup that will be able to help you work through your landing pages and getting them looking beautiful. So the next step, which is really important, is once you're happy with your landing page and your thermometer, you need to click the Generate Embed Code button, which will open up a screen looking like this. So you'll see your preview of your survey. And if I scroll down, you'll see that we pre-populate a load of ConnectWise variables in these custom fields for you. You can add more custom fields, and what this will allow you to do is if there are any other pieces of data within ConnectWise that you'd like to pull into your customer thermometer reporting, you can find the relevant variable for that piece of data in ConnectWise and then pop that variable into any of the spare custom fields, and what will happen is when someone clicks a rating, that relevant piece of data will be pulled into customer thermometer. So we do pre-populate a few for you, as you can see here. So once you've added your variables or any additional variables, you can hit Generate HTML, and here we have our survey code, which we're going to click on and copy. Once you've copied it, you can then head into ConnectWise. So this is our demo version of ConnectWise. So you need to head into System and Set Up Tables. From here, you'll need to add email and then go down to email formats, which you can then click. And then we have our options of all the different triggers that you can embed your survey in. So we suggest popping it in your completed. So if we click completed and then we hit the source button, we can take that code and paste it in. Once pasted in, you can hit that source button again and we can see that the survey is now being added successfully to our trigger template. So you can add the survey into any of your triggers. If there's a specific setup that you would like, so if you wanted the survey to be sent in a trigger with specific tags or conditions, that's something that you'll need to set up within ConnectWise itself. But this is just how we set up a really simple completed ticket survey. So once I've embedded the survey within my trigger template, it is now live. So what I would do is I would pop into my service desk, create a brand new ticket to either myself or a colleague, send it, let myself or my colleague click it, which will submit a response, then pop into Customer Thermometer and see if that response has been submitted and is showing like it should. And I'll just show you what the reporting is going to look like. So I've received my ticket completed email with the survey added. So I'm going to click excellent. And then here I'm going to leave a comment. Okay, so then I'm going to go into my customer thermometer reporting. You'll need to look at the embedded thermometer blast summary section. Find your thermometer, so this is the one that we created. So here we've been taken to our blast breakdown report for this thermometer. So this is all our reporting for this specific thermometer, which is unlike our main dashboard, which shows us an overview of all of our thermometers collectively. So this is just specifically on this thermometer. So if I scroll down, we've got our lovely overview of stats here, which you can explore. If I scroll further down, we've got the geo map there. There's a lot of things for you to go and have a look at. But what I'm going to show you is just how those variables work. So we're going to pop into our responses tab, and here you can see that the recipient's email address has been pulled through. We've got their response, we've got the date, we've got the first and last name of that recipient, and we've also got the number, so the ticket number, and then the company as well in custom too. Here is how our comments are displayed, so a little pink speech bubble, we can click that and we can have a look at the response comment. So this is what the reporting will look like. We do have some really helpful reporting guides in our user guide. If you have any questions on reporting, or if there's something really specific you want to report on, so if you want to get a view of all of your technicians and how each of them are doing in a leaderboard, or how you can see specific customer reports for your own customers, so you can really focus in on how that customer is feeling, please just let me know and I'm sure that we can help you. So contact me on ministry@customerthermometer.com. And last but not least, we'll jump back into our ConnectWise ticket and I'll scroll down, and here we can see that our rating has been written back to our ticket. So we've got customer thermometer gold star, and then we've also got our comment here, which is awesome. So that's been written back internally to the ticket. We also have the option for a latest rating field to show here as well. So as we can see here, latest rating, it says gold, and that will be updated if that person is to submit another survey to that ticket further down the line. If you'd like to see the written out version of this, please go onto our website, go to resources, user guide, integrations, and then here you'll be able to find our ConnectWise guide, which will take you through all the steps we've gone through today, as well as the write back and setting up that latest rating field as well. But as I said, if you've got any questions, please email me at ministry@customerthermometer.com. Thank you ever so much, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day.